Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing Facebook's professional mode. If you're wondering what this feature is all about and how to use it, you've come to the right place. First things first, let's talk about what Facebook professional mode is. Essentially, it's a new feature that allows users to separate their personal and professional lives on the platform. With this feature turned on, you can create a professional profile that's separate from your personal profile. You will get more reach on your posts or can gain more followers as Facebook promotes professional profile to its users. So, how do you turn on professional mode? It's actually pretty simple. Steps are same for both mobile and PC. I am showing it on PC. Here's what you need to do. Log into your Facebook account and go to your Facebook profile. Now click on the three dots button. Here you have to click on the Turn on Professional Mode button. Then just click Turn on, and we are done. Our Facebook profile now turns into a professional profile. And that's it. You now have a professional profile that's separate from your personal one. Now, what if you want to turn off professional mode? Here's how to do it. Log into your Facebook account and go to your profile, and again you have to click on the three dots button. Then just click on Turn off professional mode, then click on Continue and then click on Turn off. And that's it. Your professional profile will be deactivated and you'll be back to using your personal profile. And there you have it, everything you need to know about Facebook professional mode. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. And do like, share and subscribe.